In need of refrigeration repair services? If you are seeing this video, you are most likely searching for or are in need of commercial refrigeration repair. Whether you need the services of our skilled, trained professionals now or later, we are here to help you. Over time, commercial appliances break down, just like any other piece of equipment. It's up to you to recognize that you have a problem and contact a local refrigeration repair expert. We can diagnose any problem that may arise with your walk-in, reach-in, under-counter cooler, chiller or freezer, and then recommend a viable solution. It's important to hire a trained specialist to maintain your systems, to ensure they are running smoothly, inspected and adjusted for maximum performance and efficiency. Before your walk-in cooler or freezer becomes an emergency repair and wreaks havoc on your food items, contact us today to schedule service on your equipment. We are your trusted local refrigeration repair pros. Call now.